Namaste, I am of class 4th B and today I am going to share my wonderful experience about my trip. On 9th December, our school organized a wonderful and educational trip to Morni Fort Museum for us. It was an amazing learning experience for me to know about the museum fort. Our teachers told us that it was created about 200 years ago by Havan. It has 4 pillars. We saw dozens of figures of wildlife, caves, domes and 3D artworks over there. We took a lot of photographs over there. At the end, I would like to thank our respected principal sir and teachers for organizing such a magnificent trip for us. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Ashi. I am class 4th. Today I will share wonderful experience about the trip named Morni Fort Museum. It is made by Havan's Dua. It is 200-year old. I have seen about animals, pollution and wild animal and hunting. We have had our lunch there and then we seen about the museum. Then we go to the nature park. Nature park we traveled to the nature park. Nature park is very beautiful. Then we went to the home. I have seen the outside view. There was so beautiful view of the outside. It is very beautiful. Then we come to the home. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaste, my name is Ashvi and my name is Aradhya. Today we both want to tell you about our educational trip to Morni. Ashvi, you know that the hilltops of Morni is offshoot Shivalik of the range of Himalayas and it is 3600 feet above sea level. Yeah, Aradhya, our teachers had already told us. When we entered the fort, we saw the 4 pillars and the sculpture of birds like crested kingfisher, red peafowl, Himalayan bulbul and tree creeper. The hilltops of Morni are covered with pine trees and many more trees like shisham, neem, mango, maple and sand trees. The teachers told us about their various uses. Ashvi, you know the soil of the Morni? The soil of the Morni is clay and underlying the soft sandstone.